Good morning. It is April 24th. And as y'all can tell, I'm extremely tired. I'm tired, exhausted. I don't know if it's because yesterday I got my COVID shot. So I've been feeling a little tired. But yeah, I'm up early, about to head to the mall with my mom. So we're about to do that, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. It's really gonna be a chill day. I was trying to like sleep in and get some work done around the house today. So we'll see how that go. These glasses so dirty. So what y'all got up for the weekend today? Y'all chilling, y'all getting out in these streets. It's gloomy here. Like, we ain't been having no good weather lately. It snowed, oh excuse me, it snowed the other day. Today is cloudy. I think it's gonna rain today. I think we got rain tomorrow. Cloudy the day after that. Like, golly, where's the sunshine? But yeah. I'll see y'all. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I check back in.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Number yet,
Okay.
but this is my cell phone.
Okay.
You can text me, and if you need anything, send me a picture. I'll check it.
Okay.
And see if we have it, and then if we don't, I can always order it for you.
Great. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was nice meeting you.
Fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
At the mall with my mom. We're about to have some Chick-fil-A. Went to Zara and Bath & Body Works and Vuitton store. Yeah. I'm about to eat. I'm thirsty. Basically what I got. Talking all this. Hey y'all, I'm back from shopping. Just made it to my mom's house. Y'all can see I got some goodies in the background. I'm not gonna share it with y'all yet. I think I want to do an unboxing video for the LV. Then I think I had to order some stuff from Zara in the store because they didn't have my size in the store. So I'm waiting on that stuff to come, and I'll probably show y'all like in the next vlog. And then I didn't get much from Bath & Body Works, but I'll probably show y'all that stuff later. Matter of fact, I can show you this now. Let me see. So, Bath & Body Works Spiced Vanilla Cupcake. This smells good. My mom got this candle actually. It smells good. It smells like something I got. I don't know. It smells familiar. But she got that. I think it was, oh, you know what that remind me of? That pumpkin cake or something. This is spiced vanilla cupcake. It remind me of that pumpkin cupcake candle a little. That's what it smells like. Then I got, oh my god, y'all, when I say this smells like Starbucks in a glass, it's called whipped coffee. This smells so good. It smells like a caramel ribbon crunch to me. The only thing it's missing It's the caramel. A little, oh my God. It's sweet. You can smell the whipped cream and the coffee. It's a shot of espresso, whipped sweet cream, sugar crystals with essential oils. And I got, this was free, so I went ahead and got my little lotion, warm vanilla sugar. And like I said, once I get my stuff from Zara, I'll show y'all that in a separate video. And then this is also gonna be in a separate video, so I'm gonna see y'all a little later. Hey y'all, I'm still out running errands. Lord Jesus, I said today was gonna be my chill day, and nope, I'm at the bank right now. I don't know if I told y'all I got my COVID shot yesterday. I think it went pretty well. I think at first I was paranoid. I was a little dizzy and lightheaded, or maybe that was just some of the side effects. And my arm was sore. It's not as sore as it was yesterday, so that's good. But I'm about to go home and do a little cleaning, and then I'm gonna go home and do some cleaning, y'all, and wash my hair and try to, I didn't even count. Do some cleaning, and then find me a movie to watch. I need to take my hair down, wash my hair too, and I'm gonna try my hardest to get everything done today because I want to record an unboxing video for y'all. So yeah, that's the plan. I was gonna cook tonight. I don't know, it's looking like carry out, but I might get something delivered because I don't even feel like coming back out. And then I feel like it's too early for dinner now, so I'm gonna wait till later. Damn, machine. Continue. Hey y'all, so I just got home and I have a little package I'm gonna show y'all. Pretty much know what it is. I got this from AliExpress. I had ordered a necklace. I hope it's cute. Why the, okay, now I'm about to be mad because why? Oh, it's something on here. I was gonna say, why is it the locket gold? But it is. I think you just gotta take this little paper off. It's lightweight. It's like you know, this like the have y'all seen the LV locket necklace? Well, I found a dupe, or either I'm gonna take my locket off my LV bag and put it on there. I don't know. Perfect length. Oh no, how can I do this? Oh yeah, I can unlock this. Now I am showing you guys some bundles that I picked up from the beauty supply. This bundle, well, these bundles retail for $12.99. Now I'm kind of mad because I watched some videos on this hair and people pay like $8.99 or $10 for this hair. So I kind of feel like I got gypped. But I ended up buying 3 bundles. My hairdresser was supposed to install my hair, but she canceled my appointment. I am going to attempt to do a quick weave. I have done one in the past, but I'm not going to record myself doing a quick weave, because if it look a hot ass mess, y'all not going to even know. Y'all might not even see this part. But I did blow dry my hair last night. Yeah, so I need to, I guess, like braid it. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I'm about to try to do this quick weave. Alright y'all, so this what it looks like so far. I still gotta put more tracks in. I hope it come out right, because like I said, I haven't done this in so long, but the hair's so pretty and long, so we'll see. My daughter eating my chicken. Hold on, y'all, because I'm about to whoop her. Alright, y'all. So I got the tracks in. Did the best I could. Alright for me, y'all. This is what you gotta do when your hairdresser can't do your hair. You gotta make stuff work. So I'm gonna blend my leave out some more, but other than that, I really like it. I think I did good. So this is like 2.5 bundles. I noticed the hair shedding already. Look at this. But it's cheap hair, so it's expected. It might be from when I cut it, but yeah. All right, y'all. See y'all soon. So I wanted to come on here and say hello. Y'all, I'm so hungry. Let me show y'all what I made. This shit is nasty. Have y'all ever tried this? If you haven't, don't waste your time. I'm hungry. I don't even know what I'm about to eat as far as for brunch or whatever. So I guess I'm just gonna drink this, try this Starbucks Frappuccino chilled drink in vanilla. This is my first time buying their cold drinks that comes in the refrigerator. And then I'm sitting here watching the George Floyd his trial. So I'm about to try this. Ooh, smells strange. I don't like it. It's a coffee drink. I don't like that. But I'm not gonna waste my money. It ain't that bad, I guess. Maybe this will hold me over until I eat dinner. I made pot roast potatoes and carrot. So I'm probably about to get dressed and start my day. I'll probably come back on here and talk to y'all. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely see you guys again soon. Bye.